Hey, this will be a video chart on NTEK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one multiple times. In fact, all these lines you see here were from the last time I did it, or I should say the last several times I've done it. Can't remember when the last time exactly I did analyze the chart here, but regardless, first thing I want to do is just and I should note, if you are curious on where all these lines came from and why they're in the places that they're at, just simply go back and look through the video archives and pull up some videos of this, and then you can get all those questions answered. But the key thing here, then, the first place I want to start off is just getting the chart updated. And the first update I want to make is a good one. This was a level of resistance, but after today's very nice action, this resistance has been converted back into a level of support. So 14 cents back onto the side of the good guys, being a level of support. Now, because we had this upwards action here, I don't want the chart to get too messy and too complicated. So while this level down here is certainly still a level of support, just going to get rid of it for now because like I said, I want to try to make this as easy to see and understand as possible. And same with this level. Yes, it's still a level of support, but want to get rid of that so the chart's a little bit easier to see. And the other reason why is we had a very nice just classic charting action, and what you wanted to see happen. This purple line here is the 50-day simple moving average, and look at this, came down, found support, came down again, found support, nice little doji candle formed, and now it's in the bounce move heading back up there. And a little strange, not necessarily in a bad way or anything, but such a nice day like this, and then looking down at the volume, if I was forced to guess, I would say, oh, this was definitely an increase in volume. Not much volume, but the price reacted, which tells me there's just not much selling pressure in it right now at all. For this amount of volume to create this sort of price action, just not a lot of sellers in there right now, which is not a bad thing at all. So, like I said, don't take this as me saying, oh, it's bad that there wasn't big volume on an upwards move. I'm just saying it's a little strange, a little out of the ordinary, but that just tells us that there wasn't much selling pressure, in the stock. Going forward, the next big battleground and kind of next public enemy is going to be right up here at this resistance, which remains the same as from other videos at 0.157. You can see knocked down the price there, acted as support, but then when it did fail, resistance. So this still remains a level of the next big battleground. Then of course we still have our blue sky breakout up here, which I put on probably 2 or 3 videos ago, and that level's right up there around the 17.5 cent mark. But all in all, great way to end the week. Great week in general in terms of maintaining and now bouncing from this 50-day simple moving average. So next week we'll sit back and let's see what unfolds for the chart. But couldn't have asked for a better week and then a better end of the week with that. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting, or maybe you're looking for some advanced tactics and strategies, I'd encourage you to click on the image up above there. We have a variety of courses designed for the beginners all the way through advanced trainers or traders. They've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. They all are in instant download format, so you could literally get started on them today if you so choose. So again, I'd encourage you to check those out and give them a try. One more time, this was NTEK. Thanks for listening, and have a great weekend.